If you want to use 9Proxy on your PC, here is the complete setup from start to finish. First, open Proxy Universe and go to the catalog. Find 9Proxy residential SOCKS5 IPs. Select the number of IPs you need and complete the purchase. After the purchase, you will receive an activation code. Now open your 9Proxy dashboard and go to IP-based residential proxies. Paste the activation code into the redeem code field and confirm it. Once the code is activated, your available IPs will appear in the 9Proxy account. Now open the Proxy 2 web section. Before generating a proxy, create a sub-user. Click Add New, enter a username and password, and create the account. After that, select the new sub-user from the list. Now we can configure the proxy. Open the country or region menu and select the location you need. For this example, I'm using Germany. You can also select a state if you need one, or leave it on random. Here I'm using a 24-hour duration. On the right, 9Proxy automatically generates the connection details. You can see the host, port, username, password, and the generated proxy endpoints. Now let's connect the proxy on the PC. Open the ProxyUniverse browser extension and add a new proxy. Select SOCKS5 as the protocol. For the host, enter niceproxy.io. Then, enter the port shown in the 9Proxy dashboard. Copy the username and password from 9Proxy and paste them into the corresponding fields. Give the proxy a name so you can easily recognize it, and save it. Now, select the new proxy profile and turn the connection on. The extension shows that the proxy is connected. Let's verify that everything is working correctly. Open an IP checker. As you can see, the IP has changed. The location is detected as Germany, and the ISP is Vodafone GmbH, matching the location selected in 9Proxy. Finally, we can check the IP with Scamalytics. The result shows low risk, with a fraud score of 1. And that's it. The 9Proxy proxy is now configured and working on the PC. You can repeat the same process whenever you need a different location or a new proxy.